Well, of course, Balti Baltazar now with the Converge Fiber Xers. He's playing in the PBA and #1 overall pick in the previous draft. Andre Armeñon scoring the first basket of this game.
Armeñon has got to be up there in the discussion. He's just a guy who knows how to feed his teammates and lead a team.
Mike Machon to get Marikina on the board. Concepcion hopping into the middle. Couldn't get the bounce. Nobody contesting Jamo Eguilos for that offensive rebound and stick back.
And
Lalata cuts through the middle. That's a nice pass coming from Jamo Eguilos. No, Pampanga will set up their offense at the half court. Concepcion 3 for 3. No, Lalata wanted to throw it down but gets 2 points nonetheless.
there you go.
Nem takes it from 3 off the glass and in for Nem de la Cruz.
Many times we've seen that side of the floor with those shots falling for Nem.
Concepcion hops and scores.
Well, it's about time that Archie starts scoring here from Peja Stojakovic and Sacramento Kings. That's how they normally set him up.
Marlon Basco, he normally knocks down those 3-point shots.
And there's pressure to go back and try and win another championship, though it's easier said than done without blocking the rest of the guys.
That shot certainly was easier said. Couldn't sidestep away from the defense. Jonel Bauzon gets the leak out pass. Jonel Bauzon fishing at the cup.
Yan ang magiging challenge para sa mga big man ng Pampanga ngayon.
Bauzon doing a yeoman's job inside, getting the offensive rebound and almost stepped into a 3. De La Cruz receives the handoff. 7 on the shot clock. De La Cruz contorts his body into a shot.
Hindi madali yung tira na yun. Ang dami niyang bunggong dinaanan.
By his luck, siya rin di makashoot doon. Alcoriza nangunguna. Renz Alcoriza will score.
That's where he operates best, out in the open.
Matchup between Pampanga and Marikina. Mindoro takes on the home team, the Caloocan Batang Canculu, in their home opener this season as Jomel Landayan knocks it down from...
And Coach Eric said to be a redeeming quality they've been developing in their defense strategies. And now they're focusing more on the positioning and switching of their players. Javi and Coach Mike?
Maraming salamat, Lyra. Welcome Atek Di Mayuga, who started this game, is also back on the floor for Coach Eric C. Shot clock is winding down for Pampanga. Nobody marking John Lloyd Clemente underneath.
That's what you want.
25 points tonight para kay Chris Lalata. Makes it 66-63. De La Cruz, wild 3-point shot. And that's off the backboard. Now Marikina has to foul.
We got a foul. 2% free throw shooting para sa Pampanga.
Archie Concepcion making it when it matters the most. Especially when Marikina got to within 2 points. Concepcion goes 2 for 2 and makes it a 5-point lead. No timeout for Marikina. Landayan goes to Josh Roque. Roque for 3. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what he was mentioning earlier. He already was on the spot.
Is to inbound the basketball. Archie almost lost it. Marikina needs the foul.
Got a foul.
Binuya was hit hard. Ooh. But too late. And De La Cruz hit Raymond Binuya.
The time has expired before the whistle.